Following the rapid spread of the novel coronavirus pandemic in the country and the directives by the Cross River State government on the preventive measures of the disease, our correspondent Emmanuel Ukbo took to the streets of Calabar and its environs to ascertain the level of compliance by marketers, commuters and civil servants in the state.
In line with the directives from the Cross River State Governor, Sir Ben Ayade, that every Keke driver should carry not more than one passenger, we are here to see if they've actually complied to that directive.
We cannot fight with the government. As government say, let us carry one person each Keke, we agree. But the big governor said, the one person should pay 200 naira, and there is no more ticket because our ticket is 500 naira a day.
Well, to me, doesn't make sense because as people are on the road, they breathe the same air, they eat the same food, they move on the same road. So there is no need for governor to say that he wants some taxi to carry two people, Keke to carry one person.
Our government, they not try anything about it at all because they're supposed to give us something like remedy, something where we they carry to protect ourselves, like this nose mask and sanitizer. They're supposed to share it all over and make sure that they reach even those people in the timid villages.
It has affected our business, because if you look around now, you see that the whole market of what market is empty, it's scanty. People are not coming because everybody is afraid. People are inside their house. Even as I was coming this morning from 8 miles, the taxi I entered, it was only me and my wife from 8 miles to Wat Market. Nobody is on the road. Even the taxi man was complaining that this sickness has caused people to run away.
We thank God for the governments that have started asking people to stay at home. But when people stay at home, most especially in the market that is so crowded, what would they eat? So we should look for a better way to address the issue.
For we to stay safe in the state, we need to practice regular hand washing. We need to use hand sanitizers. When coughing and sneezing, cover your nose and your mouth with your flex elbow. For if we do this, Cross River State will be a safe place. Don't forget to report any suspected case to the nearest health facility.
The governor, Sir Ben Ayade, had issued some directives in view of the reality of the COVID-19, which includes shutting down of educational institutions, suspension of social, cultural and religious activities, monitoring of passengers in commercial vehicles, among others. He urges the general public to adhere strictly to the guidelines provided, even as government ramps up efforts to ensure the state remains safe and free from the disease. In Calabar, I am Kingsley Wachko reporting for FAT 360 TV.